Animals that touch the waters of Lake Natron in Tanzania are transformed into eerie stone statues. This surreal phenomenon is due to the lake's extremely high alkaline content, a result of sodium carbonate and other minerals from volcanic ash mixing with the water. With temperatures reaching up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and a pH level as high as 10.5, the lake is so caustic it can burn the skin and eyes of animals not adapted to its harsh environment. Birds and bats that crash into the lake's surface are quickly calcified, creating hauntingly beautiful, petrified figures that look like they've been frozen in time.